Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Formstack AI for document generation workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Formstack account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Documents tab. Click on the Create Document button to start a new project. Choose a template that fits your needs or start from scratch. If you select a template, review and customize it as necessary. Next, add the fields that you want to populate in your document. Drag and drop the desired fields from the left panel into your document. Customize these fields by clicking on them and adjusting their properties. For AI-driven document generation, ensure that you enable the AI feature in the settings. Now, navigate to the Workflows tab on the main menu. Click on Create Workflow to set up a new automation. Choose the document you've just created as part of this workflow. Select triggers that will initiate the document generation, such as form submissions. Configure any conditional logic required for your workflow needs. After setting the triggers, define the actions that should take place. Set up notifications or integrations with other applications if necessary. Once everything is configured, save your workflow. Test the workflow to ensure that the document generation works as intended. Adjust settings and configurations based on the results of your tests. After finalizing your workflow, it will automatically generate documents based on the defined triggers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.